whatever it takes.
Hello guys and welcome back. It's good to have you guys back once more. And in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can spot a reversal in 3 simple steps so that you can take your positions or try to look for entries as the trend is about to emerge. Okay, so you're gonna follow me on this one guys. So the first thing that we need is a key level. Okay, so a key level is actually a zone where you're expecting price to reverse from. Okay, so you're expecting price to take a decisive move from. Okay, so that is what a key level basically is. Now for me, a key level is, based on the institutional concept, because I believe that the big institutions are the guys who actually control price because of the volume. Okay, because of the power they wield in the market based on the volume that they trade in, and their position as a liquidity provider. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you understand that for me, the institution, the big players are the large traders and the institutions. So that for me is how I derive my key level. Having said that, people, have different ideas about key level. You have people whose idea on a key level is based on trend lines, support, moving averages, Fibonacci levels. Okay, so whatever your key level is, you want to find out that, and you want to identify it and mark that level out. Okay, now one simple rule about key levels is that when you mark out a key level on a time frame, for you to spot the reversal, okay, you want to go one time frame below that. That for me is the best rule. You want to go one time frame below the level you have marked out your key level, okay, to spot the reversal so that you can see market structures close up, okay, up close rather. So but the best thing is one time frame, right? But you can go 2 time frames below that and not more, because if you go to a lower time frame, you can get things mixed up. Okay, so the first thing is to mark out my key level, which I've done here. This is a level that I spotted on the daily chart. Okay, it's a level where I'm thinking that these big players are selling. Okay, and then coming down to 1 time frame below that, which is a 4-hour time frame, I'm now marking the market structure. So we have a high, we have a low, we have higher high, we have higher low, and then we have a higher high, higher low, and then a higher high. Okay, so then we have the second thing that we need to spot the reversal. So the first thing is the key level, and we can see the market was making an uptrend into that key level right here. Okay, giving you the uptrend pattern. Okay, and then we have the break of market structure. You can see right there, that is a break of market structure, breaking through this low, which is the last low that set a higher high, and also breaking through this low as well. So you have a big break like this. Okay, so the first thing is to have your key level marked out. The next thing is that you want to see a break in market structure. So this is a break in market structure. Now the other one is that within the break of market structure, you want to see momentum. Okay, so you want to see momentum shift. This is a momentum shift. Can you see that? This is showing you that there is willingness on the part of the market to actually go to the downside from this level, which you've marked out as your key level. Okay, now when I talk about the market, showing willingness to go down, I'm referring to the guys who have the deep pocket to control the market. For me, that's what those are the guys who actually represent the market, because they make the decisive moves based on their positions in the marketplace. So that's it guys. So the first step, your key level, remember what I said. The simple rule is that you want to mark out your key level on a higher time frame, and then go 1 time frame below that so that you can spot structures easily. Okay, you don't want to go more than 2 time frames below the level where you marked out your key level. For me, going 1 time frame below the level you marked out your key level is best. Okay, if you can get structure from there. Okay, so for instance, if it's a weekly chart, for instance, that I marked out my key level, then I want to come down to the daily time frame to spot the reversal happening. Okay, if it's and that if I want to go down more, then I have to go to maybe the 4-hour chart. Okay, so if I think the daily time frame is not offering me much of structure, then I can go to the 1-hour chart, I mean to the 4-hour chart rather. Okay, 4-hour chart, just 2 time frames below the key level time frame. Okay, so so that I can spot the structure. So once I have that, we want to wait for the break of structure and then a momentum push. So that is a momentum break. That's showing you willingness on the part of the big players to go the other way. There you have a reversal. Then what you have later on, or what you can do later on, is to find entry points, okay, where you can now look for trades. Okay, so for me, my entry points and key levels are all derived from the institutional concept. I'm always focusing on what the big institutions are doing, the levels where they are entering trade, the levels where they are closing trades. You know, those are levels where price is most likely going to react from it. So that's exactly how I derive my key levels and levels where I look for entries. Okay, so we can see exactly what happened in this market later on. I did take a trade in this market right around this level, and I posted that on YouTube on GBP okay, where I was discussing about the market maker cycle. Okay, so that's the reversal that happened, a break of structure, and all of this was just them mitigating a level here. They are mitigating orders that they used to actually manipulate the market. You know, that's something you learn in the market maker cycles. All right, so when they broke down here after all those mitigation, okay, but then after the breakdown here again, this was the level where I took the trade for this expansion, and so this is where price is currently. So if you like the content, guys, you want to subscribe, you want to like it, share, and you know, stay in tune, guys, because great stuff is coming up. Cheers and God bless you. See you soon.